So one of the reasons or perks of using YouTube besides being popular is to earn some money. But to be eligible for earning money on YouTube using AdSense, you need to have at least you need to meet two requirements. One is that you must reach 1000 subscribers milestone, and the second one is that you should have 4000 watch hours in the previous 12 months. So the question is, how do we find out how many watch hours our YouTube channel has earned in the previous 12 months? Let's go and find that out. Let's log in to YouTube. After the YouTube page loads, click on your picture. YouTube Studio Beta. Your channel's dashboard will load. Then go to Analytics. You can see your channel subscribers in the dashboard. Then click on See More. A new window will appear. It will take a little time to load. If you look below this graph, you will see your watch time in minutes. But this watch time is for these number of days. To know the watch time, total watch time for the last 12 months, click this down pointing arrow and select 365 days. New data will load and you will be able to see the total watch time of your channel in this part. As you can see, I have still not reached that milestone. Way to go. So close it. And to know the total number of your subscribers, you need 1000 subscribers. Go to dashboard. So after it loads, you will find your number of channel subscriber in the upper right corner. As you can see, mine is a new channel and it is still growing. Hope this helped you with your YouTube endeavor, career. Thanks for watching and keep coming back for more similar content.